Alright, what up guys? Starting the vlog. A little weird, I know. But how the hell did I get a leaf in here? Yeah, I'm at full throttle right now. I am bringing them my ECU. So I want to check if this is the reason, oh shit, why my main relay keeps clicking. I don't know why. My main relay just keeps clicking. No idea why. But I'm gonna check it out just to make sure it's not like a capacitor or something messed up with it. Alright, yeah, full throttle. Check out the ECU. Yo, they be scaring me driving over here. Everything they're about to hit it, my car. I see a vlog on my phone now.
The Benz, right?
Yeah.
That was violent.
Look. Alright, so yeah, I don't know. I just want to check it just to make sure it's not like a capacitor or something. Because again, my car is getting wet now from, I don't even know. My driver's side just got completely soaked inside. So I'm gonna have to take off like the windshield cap and see if it's, they usually always leak through there. But the issue I'm having is the capacitor, the main relay is literally going. And I swapped it out, still doing it. I mean, I want to check that to rule out. If not, then I'll probably put like my, the thermostat, the ground. I have it on top of the thermostat housing. It's no paint, it's brand new. Yeah. I'll move it and then maybe put it somewhere else. Maybe that'll change it. I don't know.
Okay. Just yeah, like clean it up,
All right, so Tom took it back. They have like a tester and stuff back there where they check the ECUs, test the ECUs, make sure everything's good. So he's gonna run that for me just to see if maybe it's an ECU issue. But hopefully it is, so I could just get it fixed real quick and then be good. Because the decel on this car is driving me crazy. Even coming over here, I was dying because it's idling a little bit underneath, like 1,500, a little bit underneath. So it needs to be like exactly at like 15 or a little bit, or like 16 for it to like not die as much when you're like coming down on decel accelerating. So I don't know what it is, to be honest. Next thing I'm gonna do also is I'm gonna change the idle control valve in the back, the IAC. I'm gonna replace that also, because that could be bad. That could not be holding the idle also, because the car sometimes stays stuck at like 2,000 and then it'll just come down by itself a little bit. So just checking things off little by little. All right, so I'm at my dad's job. As you guys saw last time, the side skirts were sanded down. Gonna just look over them a little bit more. Again, this is just rattle can, not rattle can, but OEM paint in a can, the way you're supposed to do it. Yeah, I bought some primer from Home Depot. It's like the best one they had. So I'm gonna primer it. Let it dry, sand it down once, then hit it with the what is it, the adhesive or the enhance or whatever for the flexibility, and then I'll hit it with the spray paint, and then I'll clear coat it. We're gonna do it over here. We're gonna do it over here on the left. It's a lot easier this way too. I'm about to use this rag right here. This is a tack rag. This picks up any little stuff that's on it, any little rocks or leftover from sanding or whatever. It literally just picks it all up. So nothing stays behind when you primer it and shit like that. Let's do some primer on real quick. Just on this side, I wanted to see how it dries up. If everything's looking good. If it dries up pretty good, that means everything is prepped good, and we should be able to paint the rest of it. I hit it with some alcohol too to take off any like residue or anything like that. So yeah, once it's dry, I think we should be good. The weather is like literally like 60 degrees, so we should be good. So I just sprayed this adhesive promoter, and this thing is like so weird. I just used it in this whole thing and it dried up in like 10 seconds. I guess this just lets it get the flexibility so when you lay the paint down, you're good. Alright, so this is my second light coat. I didn't show you guys. I just wanted to kind of do it right. As you guys can see already the color on it. I got the heat gun just to warm it up a little bit. I did a heavy coat here just to see how I should do it, and this side came out like legit perfect. Like it literally came out perfect. But I didn't want to just throw one deep coat on it. I wanted to just go real light on it. So now this next coat is gonna be deep, but you can already see the color. Let it dry off a little bit. I'm gonna go back up now with a heavy coat. I'm gonna mainly focus on this one. So this is the one that I really need right now. So that way I don't waste the paint on the second one. But yeah, this right here, the heat gun, is doing me justice. It is literally drying fast. And it's a little bit cold, so I don't want it to, the paint to come out too crazy. I'm sure you guys understand. Go heavy on this coat. Alright, so this is like coat number 4. You're not gonna see it. You're not gonna see it too shining out because it's dried out. You only see the shininess when I apply the clear. But I'm gonna go heavier and heavier now on the coats. Alright, so this is the clear. You want to put this down here, and you squeeze it, and it pops the hardener inside. I don't think it's gonna work. Alright, there you go. Alright, here we go. Add a second coat. Go with a heavier coat on the next one. Look at that body shop finish though. What the hell is that? Bro, come on. I'm giving you a free game, bro. Nah, I'm a fucking beast, bro. Nah, come on, yo. Bro. Taking a quick food break. About eating. I'm done. We're just gonna eat. I'm gonna pick it up from one side, my dad's gonna pick it up from the other side. and we're gonna put it in there. We're gonna put it in his office and let it dry for like 2-3 days. Cause I gotta come back anyways on Sunday to do the transmission, to drop the transmission down. So could be good. Closing out the video. Side skirts on the car. Everything's good on the car. Forgot to close the video, so I'm closing out the video. Stay tuned for the next 2 vlogs that are coming out. I got something that you guys don't even know about, something different, a whole new chapter, everything. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Side skirts, everything came out great on the car. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's enjoy. So.